moving objects have speed. Speed is defined as a change in distance over time. Some race cars average 180 miles per hour. Energy. In science, energy is defined as the ability to do work. This means that energy is needed to apply a force that will move an object. Energy is also needed to make matter change. But what is the relationship between speed and energy? They actually go hand in hand. The amount of energy is dependent on the mass and speed of an object. A cheetah can run at speeds of nearly 70 miles per hour. It takes a lot of energy to run that fast. But a cheetah resting takes much less energy. Many athletes can move incredibly fast. It takes a lot of energy to be able to run at such high speeds. Speed and energy are dependent on each other. Slower speeds require less amounts of energy. Higher speeds require higher amounts of energy.
Watch as the frog leaps from the jetty and into the water. When something is in the process of changing position, it is moving. We say it is in motion. Motion is movement in any direction. So what are some ways we can describe motion? An airplane is in motion as it speeds down the runway. It moves in a straight line and then up into the sky. A person on a swing usually moves in a back and forth motion. On a seesaw, the people move up and down. On a carousel, they move round and round. What are some other ways you can describe motion?